Hi, I'm Charnae. I'm the Office Administrator at SEC Engineering and Design. We're in Invercargill, Southland. We do heavy fabrication and transport from trailers, truck decks. We also do work on small trailers for repairs for Warriner Fitness and COFs. We have about a dozen staff. The design engineers start everything from an idea. They do the pictures, they do the drawings, and then it goes out to the workshop, and then the boys make the end product. So we do pretty much everything from start to finish. Before QuickStock, we used a variety of suppliers based around Invercargill, Southland and all over the country. Obviously the ones around the countryside, there would be freight costs and such, and multiple different types of invoices for little knick-knack things. It also cost a lot of labour time. Having the apprentice or whoever was free to duck down to the shop for 10 minutes sometimes turns into an hour, and then it just happens like that. We decided on QuickStock because it made it a lot easier having the cabinets in-house. They were easily accessible by the office ladies, the boys in the workshop, and it makes it a lot easier only having one, maybe two invoices a month from the supplier, being QuickStock, Euromarc. It just saves a whole lot of time for myself and the boys in the workshop as well.
Hi, I'm Riley, the QSC for Southland. I come by once a month to restock and tidy up the QuickStock units for the team here. After catching up with Charnae, I get straight into restocking, take count of what's on hand, and know anything that needs to be delivered next month. Before wrapping up, I check in with the team to make sure everything's running smoothly and pass on any updates or requests to the wider crew.
When we need something out of the cabinet, the keys are kept at my desk, and it would be one of the boys from the workshop come and tell me. They will come and ask me for the key, and I'll just have a quick, look over the desk and make sure that they've grabbed what they said they were grabbing, and they'll fill it in on the stock sheets out in the workshop for me to input and charge them correctly to the invoices for the customers. It makes it easier for pricing later on. I do find I have more time in the day with the ease of QuickStock. It makes it easier for me to be able to contact customers and have more time for them with the boys in the workshop if they need help with anything that they're having issues with. It just makes life a lot easier.
Hi, I'm Blake Young. I work at SEC. I'm one of the engineers here. The QuickStock system that we have, the two blue cupboards behind me, are very handy to have around the workshop. Instead of having to mess around going up the street to grab tools and bits that we need, we can just get a key, go into the cupboard and grab what we need and carry on with work.
All the boys in the workshop find it great to be able to just come in and grab something from the cabinet. I mean, they probably miss being able to go up the street and grab a pie or something while they're ducking down, but I mean, it still makes it a lot easier just not having to go anywhere. You don't always want to go for a drive in the rain. It rains a lot here. To anyone else considering QuickStock, I'd say definitely have a good look at it, consider it, have a chat with us, have a chat with anyone else. It's been a great help and a great time and money saver. It's definitely worth it. 10 out of 10, recommend it.